Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a following floating bar for social media with sharing buttons to our site using the WP Socializer plugin. So first we need to go over to the left where it says plugin, and then we are going to click on add new. And on the search plugin bar we are going to type WP Socializer. This is the one we are going to use. We are going to click on install now. It will allow us to insert share buttons in the post, in the site, floating share bars and the like. So we are going to click on activate. And now we are going to look for it and click on settings, and we are going to use the setup wizard here to speed things up a little bit. So we are going to get started. We are going to click on next, and we can add share buttons to our post below or above the post. We are going to add them above, and we have many variations. As you can see, the native social icons, text with content like this, just the icons with many variations, the icons with content, as you can see, full white buttons, icons with text, and just the text with the names of the social media. So we are going to use the native social icons. We are going to use this one, and we are going to select this template, and we are going to move on to the next. We add a share bar to your website, and we are going to activate it. And what do you want to add to this share bar? So we're going to be vertical, and we are going to add the social icons with content, and then we are going to click on next, and we can add a follow bar to our site. We need to activate it, and we can add the editors here. We can add Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and we can add all the social platforms we have if we want. So we are going to edit, and we can enter our profile name. We can select a button hover text and an icon image URL, which is optional. So yeah, we don't have a profile, so we are going to type facebook.com. The same for the Twitter.com, and for the Instagram we're going to use the same. So we are going to apply the settings, and we are going to move on to the next step. We can add text share bar to our posts and add mobile share bars to your website. So we are going to disable the one in the post, since we have added the other one before, and add it to the mobile version of our site. So we are going to click on finish. It took only 3 minutes to set it up, and we are going to the settings a bit to look at them, and here we can add some configuration. If we want to select the type of font icon, add some CSS, add our Twitter username, ID class for the comments, the app ID of Facebook, LinkedIn, share this and counter settings, counter cache expiration duration, the time, and low share count for both the HTTPS and the HTTP URL on the page. It's count by default because it might slow down the site. So we are going to save the settings and we are going to visit the site. As you can see, we have our share bar here, the floating one over to the left, and we can close it or open it if we want, and the follow bar to the right. And if we go to the blog and we can enter the post here, we can see the buttons we have added on the top of the post, as you can see. So we have added a floating bar for sharing and a floating bar for following to our site and sharing buttons to our post using the WP Socializer plugin in a quick and easy manner and in less than 3 minutes. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.